going to dye my hair pink.
My hair needs a touch-up. The pink is quite faded. Alright, so this is my hair before I touch up the roots. I just wanted to start out saying that I'm not a professional and this isn't a tutorial. I'm just simply documenting all of my odd hair color choices throughout, I don't know, the year of me doing this. So I started out using the powdered lightener and 10 volume developer, which I do increase to 30 in the second session. After mixing all of it together and sectioning my hair, I just began applying it only to my roots in order to avoid over-processing my already bleached hair. Alright, you guys, don't judge me. I couldn't find my brush to apply the hair dye, so I'm just going to use my fingers. Okay, so the bleach has lifted the color a little bit, and I'm gonna go and wash it out because I don't want to leave it in for too long. I don't want my roots to be super white. I just wanted to give myself a quick touch up, and then I'm going to go ahead and put it on the pink hair dye. So I'll be right back. Okay, so I just washed out all the bleach, and it didn't really lift that much, and yes, it is a little green because my hair was dyed jet black. But I'm not going to worry about toning my hair just because I'm going to throw the pink over top of it. Okay, so I have the Manic with hot pink. Just looks like this. I don't wear gloves for this because I don't mind getting the dye on my fingers. I paint, so my fingers always look a little crusty. Alright, and not only that, like, I feel like this hair dye washes off of my hands quite easily, so I don't really worry about that. The color isn't perfect. You can see that it's not even, but once I put the pink over top, it's really hard to tell. Okay, so my hair is a little damp, but I'm going to go ahead and apply the pink onto the blonde just because, I don't know, I just don't feel like waiting. And let it sit for like 20 to 30 minutes. I'm just gonna use my fingers.